Hey, Justin Coulter here with Welders Supply of Louisville. I'm a sales rep for Welders Supply. We are in the industrial gases and welding supply industry. Been around since 1948, and we're actually a locally owned second generation company. We recently partnered with MaverickCNC for the light industrial to industrial use CNC plasma cutting systems. We love that they're integrated with Hypertherm. On-site support is great, robustness of the table. Their online presence is fantastic. Tutorial videos, tips and tricks. They're very supportive of our customers. We're finding these tables in your home hobby shops. We're finding them up into your light industrial fab shops. And the market for CNC plasma is growing and becoming more and more affordable. We chose to partner with MaverickCNC this line due to their excellent support and follow-up after the sale. When you purchase a table, you get a 2-day on-site installation. You also have the commitment from Welders Supply, in-house technician, to answer any questions, troubleshoot the machine, and the support from MaverickCNC is unmatched. With Maverick, you get the fully integrated CAD, CAM, and CNC software. You don't see that in a lot of tables. It really helps with the ease of use for the operator. Here at Welders Supply, we have a full line of MaverickCNC in stock, 5x5, 5x10, and 6x12. By the time we deliver it to your facility, we can have you up and running, making your first cut within an hour. If you're unsure about what table might be right for you, come down to Welders Supply. We have a MV 5x5 in stock, set up, ready to cut in our demo lab. Be happy to show you a demo and cut a part for you, show you how easy it is. Welders Supply has made a commitment to support your growing needs in your fab shop or home hobby use. We've been around since 1948 and we're still here.